I got something in the mail from, it says Disneyland Merch Guest Services from Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California. So I don't know what this is exactly because we haven't ordered anything. I mean, the only thing that I could figure is that whenever they did the 65th anniversary thing online, is that because it was all screwed up and I couldn't get anything. It just cycled me around a bunch, and then I finally just had to give up. But then I got calls from the people that work.
Watch it just be a piece of paper.
No, there's something in here.
Oh.
So I'm wondering if they were like, we know you were on our list, so it says...
Disneyland letterhead.
It says, Dear Disney guests, thank you for your interest in the Disneyland Park 65th Anniversary online merchandise event. Please accept the enclosed gift as a token of our appreciation for participating in our online merchandise event. Thank you for being our guest. Sincerely, Disneyland Resort Retail Guest Services.
But we didn't actually purchase anything.
No, we never purchased anything. I was never able to get through the checkout. And I put on the thing, would you like to be contacted for, future whatever? I don't remember what the thing said when I clicked on it. So I clicked yes, and I put in my contact information. And I did get a few phone calls from them saying, are you still interested? And I was like, yeah. And they were like, okay, well, more people will call you later, and we'll send you an email. Never got an email. Never got really any other phone calls. Let's see what this is. It feels like a pin. They sent me that.
Oh.
That was nice. I don't remember ever seeing this. It says, to all who come to this happy place, welcome. And it's got Mr. Toad, the happiest place on earth, limited release. Oh, and it's actually a pass holder pin. So I guess this is just their way of saying, oops, we messed up. That's pretty cool.
Well, that was nice.
And I have official Disney letterhead. Well, thank you so much. Very unexpected. Have you ever gotten anything from Disney out of the blue? Put it in the comments below. Very neat. Until they remember, no capes.